Wake up with the sun. Understanding, up with the chickens. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, up with the chickens. This expression is a colorful way to talk about waking up early, and it's packed with cultural and linguistic nuances. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Up with the chickens means waking up very early in the morning, often at or before sunrise. This phrase draws a vivid picture, comparing a person's waking time to that of chickens, which are known to rise at dawn. It's a metaphorical expression used to highlight an early start to the day, emphasizing a connection with nature's cycle. This expression comes from rural life, where farmers often start their day extremely early to tend to their farms. Chickens, being early risers, serve as a natural alarm clock. This phrase encapsulates a way of life that is synchronized with the natural world, where the sunrise dictates the start of one's activities. You can use up with the chickens in various contexts. Describing your own habits. If you're an early riser, you might say, I'm usually up with the chickens to start my day. Talking about others. To describe someone else's early habits, you could say, my grandfather is always up with the chickens, working in his garden. In storytelling, it's a great phrase to set the scene in stories or anecdotes, especially to emphasize the early start of an adventure or task. While the phrase has its roots in rural and agricultural life, it's still relevant today. In our modern world, being up with the chickens can signify productivity, discipline, and a connection to natural rhythms. It's a reminder of a time when our daily routines were more closely tied to the environment. Whether you're an early riser by nature or simply fascinated by the colorful expressions in the English language, Up with the Chickens offers a charming glimpse into how language and life intertwine. We hope this video has shed some light on this phrase and perhaps inspired you to embrace the early hours of the day. Thank you for watching, and may your mornings be as bright and productive as those who rise with the chickens.